Hey, dear gardening lovers! If you're looking for a way to make your onions grow stronger, healthier, and faster, then you've come to the right place. Today, we reveal something special to you, a magical liquid that will change the game for you in the garden. Believe it or not, the secret is simple, but extremely powerful. Join us on the channel, because here, we share only the best and most effective recipes for a successful garden. Watering is not just a routine, it can be the key to lush and healthy onions. And today, we will reveal a secret formula that combines natural ingredients that you probably already have at home. Stay with us until the end of the video, because you can try the recipe you will hear right away and see the results. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to stay up to date with our latest tips and tricks. Why is it important what liquid we use for watering? Well, all other crops, onions have specific needs. A special combination of ingredients can help strengthen its roots, reduce disease, and accelerate growth. Sounds interesting, doesn't it? Many times we forget that some of the most powerful solutions come directly from nature. That's why today we're talking about an amazing mix that has everything you need for your onions. Are you ready to find out what's in this powerful formula? And here's the moment you've been waiting for. The secret recipe for the best liquid for watering onions is chamomile tea and a clove of garlic. Yes, that's right. Prepare a mild chamomile tea, add 1 clove of garlic, and let everything stand. Mix everything with 2 liters of water. This mixture is ideal for watering because it strengthens the onion's immunity and protects it from diseases. Try it today and let us know your results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. See you soon with more useful tips for your garden.